All right. Good morning.
Good morning.
Today for our lesson is going to be about the tail of a tadpole. So, our standards are we're going to obtain, evaluate, and communicate information about the life cycle of a different living organism. And today we're going to do the frog, the tadpole to a frog. And we are also, our other standard is we're going to know and use various text features like our glossary, our index, our headings, our captions, so we can locate key factors of information, okay? And our I can statement is I can obtain, evaluate, and communicate information about the life cycle of a tadpole. So let's get on through. Here's just a picture of something. We don't know what that is. If you know what it is, keep it in. Don't let it out. I will ask you later what that is, okay? All right. We have a definition that we're going to talk about, and it's called amphibian. Okay? An amphibian is a type of animal. Its characteristic is amphibians lay a special kind of egg without a hard shell. Amphibians have 4 legs and are cold-blooded. So if it doesn't have a hard shell, what animal has a hard shell? Just name one animal. Cover it up. Everybody.
Turtle.
Ah, so I've heard a turtle. I've heard a chicken. Awesome. So this animal does not have a hard shell. Examples. Snakes are animals, but they are not amphibians because they don't have 4 legs. So this is a non-example. Cows are animals, but they are not amphibians because they don't lay eggs. Frogs, toads, and salamanders are amphibians. We are going to learn about how frogs grow from their eggs. And then frogs are one type of amphibian. Okay, guys? And this book, Tale of a Tadpole, and we're going to talk about a life cycle. Do you think the book's going to be nonfiction or fiction?
Nonfiction.
Nonfiction, because nonfiction are what?
Real.
Real. And the author of a nonfiction book also is a photographer. So, and remember, nonfictions do not have characters, problems, or resolutions. And so, this is what I want you to think about. You ready?
Yes.
Well, I'm reading. We're going to start off with the first part of the life cycle of a frog. We call the animals a tadpole when it leaves the egg. A tadpole is a frog that is not fully grown. Think about the changes that happens as an egg grows into a tadpole. Okay. Tell of a tadpole. What is this called?
Tadpole.
Title. A title. By Karen Walker. What is this? Table of contents. All right. We ready?
Yes.
A tadpole is a baby frog. When a tadpole grows up, it becomes a frog. So, what is this over here?
Labels.
Labels. Its eyes, its head, its gills, its tail, its mouth. And then when it comes to a frog, nostrils. We have nostrils. Eyes, mouth, webbed toes, and a belly. We don't have webbed toes, but we have a belly.
What is my toe? Everybody.
Frog gallery. There are more than 4,000 kinds of frogs. They are different shapes, sizes, and colors. Common frogs live near ponds and tall grass. Green ornate and horned frogs use their big mouths to eat a lot of food. Mullein frogs, leaf frogs, look like leaves. This helps them hide on the forest floor and hunt for food. Mantellas are found in many different colors. Red-eyed tree frog scares enemies with their big red eyes. I don't think I would want to come up on one of those red-eyed tree frogs. All right. The tale of a tadpole begins in a pond. Mother frog lays her eggs next to the lily pad. Each tiny egg is wrapped in cotton. So what do you think those are? Cover it up. Everybody.
Eggs.
Eggs.
With a frog in them, like a frog in.
Inside the jelly, the eggs grow into tadpoles. They wiggle like worms. They push through the jelly and swim in the water. They breathe through their gills just like fish. Fish have gills they have to breathe through. So, think about this. So if they start in this little egg and they come out, and then they go to what?
Tadpole.
A tadpole. And then a tadpole with hind legs like its back legs. And then it's called a froglet. And then it comes into a frog. And this is called a what? Life cycle. Very good. And what we're going to do, think about this. You're going to turn and talk to a partner, okay? Why do you think the frog lays her eggs near a lily pad? Turn and talk. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Eyes on me. All right. So let me see. Why do you think the frog lays her eggs near the lily pad? Almond, who's your partner? Okay. What did you and Emerald come up with? Well, from the other frogs, yes. What else do you think they want to keep them safe from? Other animals. Enemies, yes. All right. Now you're going to do another turn to your partner. Why do you think there are so many eggs? So turn and talk to your partner. You can come over here. What do you think? There's so many eggs. There is. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right. Why do you think there's so many eggs? Let me see. Azalea. Who's your partner? What did you and Amanda come up with?
Well, I said that maybe like there were so many eggs that she has already laid. She just wanted to go in the rest of us.
Okay, so there's a lot of eggs that she's already laid. Does she want to lay the rest?
Yeah.
Okay.
And also, for my birthday, I want to go to Snickers Company. And I've been watching a lot of that. So they were talking about green tree crops, and they were talking about, so the dad will fertilize one, but then he'll go with another frog and let her lay the eggs, but the dad won't fertilize those eggs, but he'll fertilize that lays the first clutch. That way, the ones that he didn't fertilize be a source of food for the person.
Ah, okay. So what did you learn that on?
Snake discovery.
Oh, snake discovery. Cool. So it's a great thing that we're doing Tale of the Tadpole because we're learning about what? Frogs and their what did I call this? Life cycle. Okay, good. So gonna do one more. Why do you think the tadpoles wiggle inside their eggs? So turn to a partner. They're ready to get out. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so it says, why do you think the tadpoles wiggled inside their eggs? Well, Faith was my partner, and Faith, can you tell us why you think they wiggle inside that? So they can hatch. They're wanting to get out of that little egg and explore the world, right? I think so too. All right, so we are going to, you, in your notebook, you're going to open it up to the next blank page, and you are going to try to draw the life cycle of the frog in your notebook real quick. You've got it starts with what? Eggs. Tadpole. And this is the simplified version of it, because over here it's got a few more steps, and I'll go ahead and tell you about it. It's got the eggs, the tadpole. Briley, Leah, what are you two doing? Okay, well, Briley, what were you doing? Tell me. Say playing. Were you playing? What were you supposed to be doing? Tell me. Listening. Are you doing it? What are you going to do about it? Look at me, Briley. What are you going to do about it? Okay. It's tadpole with 2 legs, and then the tadpole actually has 4 legs, and we don't have it over here just so it'll be easier for you guys. Then you've got your froglet and your adult frog. So you're going to go back to your desk, and I want you to do the life cycle real quick. It doesn't have to be a perfect picture. I just want you to draw it real quick and label it, and then we're going to come back to the road, okay?
Can you just draw the words?
I want the words, but I want you to try to draw a picture too.
Okay.
You may go quietly.
Can you draw
No, you're going to draw this. Jose.
What are you doing?
Put it in your writing journal. You were in the restroom. Oh, you're off to a good start. Try to draw the pictures. See? Man, Adrian, you are audio. So where's the I like how you added it. Good job. It doesn't have to be a perfect all. Okay, you're good. Come on, good job, guys. Oh, your last cycle. Today you need to come in the road. Okay, come on. Nevaeh forgot her glasses this morning, so. Here you go, Nevaeh. You're welcome.
I got a really sharp pencil. And you lost one.
Azalea, you need to get that life cycle going. There's a pencil underneath, right here before, all under your foot. Here. Good job. I see some awesome little eggs and some little tadpoles growing here on this piece of paper.